Well, there you have it, boys and girls. Thank you very much for tuning in again for another edit and upload of It's a Dyer Thing. Rob here. And again, before we go any further, don't forget to hit that notification and the subscription. This way you'll always be up to date on everything I do. So right behind me, as you can see, is my infamous, my beautiful, my absolutely most precious pride and joy, the MT-10SP. So it has been a long time waiting just to get this girl out of the office here where I work. So it's been a long winter, and what am I doing here with you today? Right now, right here is the actual initial original first startup of the MT-10. So we're doing this together. I have not even put the key in it, but it is all ready to go, and we are going to get her the first original startup. There's just enough fuel in here just to get me up to the road, so I do got to go to the gas station before I head on home. So you will be riding on with me on that, but together we're going to do this. Nothing has been set, nothing's been adjusted, but it is going to be the first startup and a first ride. You, me, together, MT-10. Let's go. If you guys have been following all my videos, you've been seeing the items that I have been putting on. I did speak about the exhaust and some of the carbon components and whatnot like that. So right now we do have just the slip-on, so it is still the stock exhaust and then with the other components. But anyways, let's not talk about that. As for the sound, the slip-on really won't make that much of a difference from the Yoshimura. It is badged MT-10 and it is the Yoshimura series, which is really nice. So it does look the part, it gives it that nice little look, a slight little sound difference, but for the most part it's not like loud and obnoxious because everything or all the sound is taken from the actual catalytic converter underneath. So doesn't matter. Key in, ignition, powering it up for the very first time. Let me just put my helmet down on the ground because I do not want to drop that. This is the first time I'm actually putting the key in and turning the ignition on, so we're doing this together in 3, 2, 1, on. Ooh, there we go. Here's the dash, the moment of truth. She is gorgeous. We are in E, so again I gotta go up. Oh, look at that, them buggers, they already used it at 0.6 kilometers of the bike. It doesn't matter. Anyways, let's go. Ignition is on, everything is on. I want to cycle the fuel pump twice normally. Let's do it again. Because again, the fuel system is dry, so I do like to cycle the pump twice actually before I do a startup. So there we go, we've done that. Let's do a startup in 3, 2, 1. There you go, she is alive. Alive, I say, she's alive. So. Nice, subtle, nice and quiet, not overly loud, right? So it's just perfect. I'm gonna let it warm up nice and easy again because it is the initial first startup. It is the break-in procedure now. Long, boring break-in procedure. But it is now finally nice and warm here in the Toronto region. So now we're reaching at 15 to 20 degrees by this weekend, and it should stay a consistent, nice, warm weather. So we can finally start riding consistently. But there you have it, man. So this is the 2023 Yamaha MT-10SP Carbon Edition. So as you can see, we got quite a bit of carbon components here. But first startup, break-in procedure. I'm gonna get you hooked up onto my helmet, continue to warm up this beauty here, and then we'll head on up the road. I gotta just top it up, get some gas in it, take it home, and then I can go and rest for the night. No, actually I got a Jeep meet that I gotta go to tonight, so that's our next thing, and it just never ends. There's always something. So anyways, stay tuned, a lot more to come, tons of videos. Again, I'm gonna be heading out this weekend, so Sunday let's go and ride together. Just got a new setup here, so I'm running a GoPro Media Mod, then I can connect my external mic into the helmet so we can talk and I can discuss and let you know how things are going here. So other than that, it's cool. I'm excited. I'm speechless, don't know what to say. Anyways, let's go. Right now. All right. Later. Take it easy. So we got to keep it really nice and subtle, right? You got to keep it nice and low. So it's all about the break-in. Wow, these heated grips are really, really nice actually. So I'm running factory Yamaha heated grips here. I got to adjust my shifter. My shifter's too low. I need my shifter adjustment. But actually, yeah, the grips, I can really feel it. I'm on half setting of the grips, and I'm still wearing fairly thick gloves. And I got some nice warm heat, so that's cool. I'm really happy about that. That was a really nice purchase. That's a nice upgrade again for MT10, MT09, XSR. All these models here come with a factory in-dash in the ECU plug and play heated grips, right? So super simple. Plug it in, put it on, and you can actually run the control through your dash here. So thoroughly impressed. Gas, I need gas. So gosh, come on. That's the only thing I've always found, even on the previous demo. Taking off, it's got very low lag. I don't know why it does that, but once you get going it's fine. But it's kind of not a delay, but it's very laggy, I guess you can call it. Whatever. Anyways, gas her up. Ooh, new bike smell. Stinky. Stinky. Alright. I got my wallet with me. Yes, thank God. Gotta use a minimum of 91 octane. So oh, come on, man. Got to pay inside. Are you fucking kidding me? Idiot. So stupid. Right? No. 94. Oh. 20 bucks, yeah. 20 bucks of 94. It's not going to go anywhere. $1.86, so it's not so bad. Let's see where 20 bucks is going to get us. So this is a 17 liter tank. 17 or 19? 17. I think it's 17. Stuck. Oh, what the fuck, you dude, you 36. Okay. I figured you would stop it at 20. So, all right. Thank you. All right. So definitely a couple of things I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to adjust my my shifter there. I don't like that. It's set too low. So, what are we? Power mode C, D. Power mode 3. Let's do that. Yeah, it's telling me it's full. There's no way that's full, because that was only 10 liters that I put in there. So be curious to see if you actually get a little bit of sound from the bike, or are you only getting me or the wind sound. So now I'm just going to put my little wind sock on, my wind cover here. Oh yeah, Amber's got my Jeep, so 13. We came in with the Jeep this morning there, so I'm going to go see, because I guess she's picking up a Subway for Sage. So we'll kind of go up and sneak up behind. You know, for the past 2 years I was on the Tenere, which, hey man, I had a lot of fun. I quite enjoyed the Tenere, but I wanted something for the street, more designated for the street, and that's why we ended up going with the back with the MT10. When I had the MT10 before, I sold the MT10 and I got my Tenere 700, which, hey, I loved the Tenere, but not that I instantly regretted it, but I missed the MT10 the minute I sold it. So I know now that I got to go back to it and not sell it again. So that's where we are now. We decided to come back to the MT10 so I can keep this one from now on, or at least this model. And maybe next year I'll still get a Tenere 700. I do know, on top of the MT10, of course, right? But I still have my Dyer 650, so I'm going to be riding with the Dyer 650 on that. Yeah, anyways, glad to have it back. We're going to have a good summer this summer. You be good to me and I be good to you, okay? That's the deal. So I need to adjust that. Yeah, I don't like that. It's too low. What a lovely truck. No. Now, don't forget, everybody, follow that sign right there. It's a Dyer thing. Oneself promoting oneself on oneself's vehicle. How strange is that, eh? So anyways, yeah, so we're coming, getting close to home now. But Sunday we're going to be out, and I'm going to be out riding around, so hopefully we can kind of get some discussions going on in regards to how everything is, and just getting back to the feel of riding around on the street again, and having a fun bike. So, but again, thank you very much for patiently waiting as I was getting everything ready, from uncrating it to adding the accessories onto it and just discussing about it, and all the other videos that we've done in the past as well. So again, I wanted to say thank you guys for all of that, and hopefully we'll see you guys very soon, and for your subscriptions as well. Thank you for all that and all your comments. I love the comments always. You fucking idiot morons. So morons. Till next time, y'all be safe, have fun, be good, take care, and don't forget, keep it covered. All right, bye-bye.